YZ250X oil change. Open fill cap. 12mm socket for the drain plug. I think. Yep. Check that you have the washer. New one, probably should, but this will probably work. After you torqued the drain bolt to the specified torque with a torque wrench, you fill with 750 centimeters cubed of oil, meaning 750 milliliters, meaning 0.75 liters. Easy, right? Probably Yamalube. I'm gonna use Rotella 15W40. After you've made a mess everywhere, got most of that 750 centimeters cubed into the engine, forget to put your cap on. Don't cross thread it, it's plastic. Good to go.